Sign 1. The microscan. Within a fraction of a second, a stranger's eyes have already swept your posture, your hands, your eye contact. You don't notice it happening, but they've already filed you into a category. This is behavioral tracking, an ancient survival mechanism your brain never turned off. Strangers aren't judging you out of malice. They're desperately trying to predict whether you're a threat, an ally, or irrelevant to their survival. Judgment isn't cruelty. It's instinct wearing a disguise. Sign 2. The voice before the words. Before anyone processes what you say, they've already reacted to how you say it. Tone, pace, and pitch trigger an emotional response before language even registers. This is emotional anchoring. People attach a feeling to you before they attach a fact. A shaky, rushed voice signals anxiety and invites dismissal. A slow, grounded voice signals control and invites respect. Your voice writes the first sentence of your story before your mouth finishes speaking. Sign 3. The eye contact test. Where your eyes go under pressure reveals more than any resume. Hold contact too long, and you seem aggressive. Break it too fast, and you seem unsure of your own presence. This constant negotiation is what psychologists call dominance calibration, an unconscious dance to determine who yields first. People who look away too quickly are subconsciously signaling submission, even if they don't believe they feel it. Comfort in silence and gaze is a rare currency. Wear it well. Sign 4. The handshake signature. A handshake seems small, but it's a compressed transmission of confidence, hesitation, or control. Strangers register grip strength, timing, and hand placement almost instantly, translating it into a subconscious verdict about your competence and self-assurance. This is status echo. Your smallest movements reverberate as evidence of your inner state. A firm, unhurried handshake tells a stranger you are not desperate for their approval. Small gestures carry loud signatures. Sign 5. The clothing code. People will insist they don't judge based on appearance, yet their brains disagree instantly. Clothing acts as a visual shortcut for status, discipline, and self-respect, feeding directly into cognitive framing. The mental shortcuts strangers use to fill gaps in unfamiliar information. It isn't about luxury, it's about intention. Clothes that fit your body and your context tell a stranger you make decisions on purpose, not by accident. What you wear speaks before you do. Make sure it isn't lying. Sign 6. The space you occupy. How much physical space you claim, and how comfortably you occupy it, silently communicates your relationship with your own presence. People who shrink, fidget, or apologize with their bodies trigger a threat recognition loop in observers, subtly lowering perceived value. Meanwhile, calm, deliberate movement signals that you belong wherever you stand. Strangers aren't measuring your size, they're measuring your certainty. Sign 7. The reaction to being watched. The moment someone notices they're being observed, their true patterns surface. Do they stiffen, perform, or stay exactly the same? This is the ultimate test of emotional calibration. People who remain unchanged under observation broadcast authenticity, an increasingly rare and magnetic trait. Those who shift instantly reveal a self-image built for approval rather than truth. Consistency under attention is a silent flex most people never learn to master. Sign 8. The first word choice. The very first thing you say sets a psychological frame for the entire interaction. Complaints, self-deprecation, or over-explaining trigger social prediction bias, causing strangers to subconsciously downgrade your perceived status before the conversation even begins. Calm, purposeful opening lines do the opposite. They establish authority without a single boastful word. The first sentence is a psychological down payment. Spend it wisely. Being judged in half a second isn't an injustice. It's the toll paid by anyone who has learned to carry themselves with quiet, undeniable control.